Please give crash course on Canadian geography to help understand the Canada's natural beauty and resources, illustrated by all provinces and territorials. Sure, I'd be happy to give you a crash course on Canadian geography. Canada is the second largest country in the world by land area, covering over 9.9 million square kilometers. It is located in the northern part of North America, bordered by the United States to the south and the Arctic Ocean to the north. Canada is made up of 10 provinces and 3 territories, each with their own unique landscapes and resources. Here are some key features of Canadian geography. 1. The Canadian Shield. This is a large geological region that covers much of eastern and central Canada. It is made up of ancient rock formations and is rich in minerals, such as gold, silver, and copper. The Canadian Shield also includes thousands of lakes and rivers, making it an important source of freshwater. 2. The Great Lakes. These 5 interconnected lakes, Superior, Huron, Michigan, Erie, and Ontario, are located in central North America, with 4 of them lying along the Canada-US border. The Great Lakes are the largest freshwater system in the world and provide drinking water, transportation, and recreation opportunities for millions of people. 3. The Rocky Mountains. This mountain range stretches from British Columbia down to New Mexico in the United States. In Canada, it includes the Canadian Rockies, which are known for their stunning natural beauty, including glaciers, lakes, and wildlife. 4. The Arctic. Canada has a significant portion of its territory located in the Arctic, with much of it covered by ice and permafrost. The region is home to a variety of unique animals, such as polar bears and narwhals, and is also a source of oil, gas, and minerals. 5. Forests. Canada has one of the largest forested areas in the world, covering around 347 million hectares. The boreal forest, which spans much of Canada, is an important ecosystem that provides habitat for wildlife and helps regulate the climate. 6. Waterways. Canada has thousands of lakes and rivers, including the St. Lawrence River, which connects the Great Lakes to the Atlantic Ocean, and the Mackenzie River, which is the longest river in Canada. 7. Coastal regions. Canada has 3 oceans bordering its coasts, the Atlantic, Arctic, and Pacific, as well as the Gulf of St. Lawrence. Coastal regions are home to a variety of marine life and are also important for fishing and shipping. In terms of resources, Canada is known for its abundance of minerals, including gold, silver, copper, and uranium. It is also a major producer of oil and gas, with significant reserves in Alberta and offshore in the Atlantic and Arctic. Canada is also a major exporter of lumber and other forest products. Here's an overview of each province and territory in Canada, along with some of their key features. 1. British Columbia. Located on the west coast, British Columbia is known for its rugged coastline, mountains, and forests. It is home to the Rocky Mountains, the Pacific Ocean, and the Gulf Islands. Vancouver, one of the largest cities in Canada, is located in British Columbia. 2. Alberta. Located just east of British Columbia, Alberta is known for its vast oil reserves and is often referred to as the Texas of Canada. It is also home to the Rocky Mountains and Banff National Park, a popular tourist destination. 4. Saskatchewan. Located in the center of Canada, Saskatchewan is known for its vast prairies and wheat fields. It is also home to many lakes and rivers, including Lake Athabasca and the Churchill River. 5. Manitoba. Located just east of Saskatchewan, Manitoba is known for its lakes, including Lake Winnipeg, and its boreal forests. It is also home to Churchill, known as the polar bear capital of the world. 6. Ontario. Located in eastern Canada, Ontario is the most populous province in Canada and is home to Toronto, the largest city in Canada. It is also home to the Great Lakes and Niagara Falls. 7. Quebec. Located in eastern Canada, Quebec is the only province in Canada where French is the official language. It is known for its vibrant culture, historic cities such as Quebec City and Montreal, and the St. Lawrence River. 8. New Brunswick. Located on the east coast, New Brunswick is known for its rugged coastline and natural beauty. It is also home to the Bay of Fundy, which has the highest tides in the world. 9. Nova Scotia. Also located on the east coast, Nova Scotia is known for its stunning coastline and seafood, including lobster and scallops. It is also home to Halifax, the capital of Nova Scotia. 10. Prince Edward Island. Located in the Gulf of St. Lawrence, Prince Edward Island is known for its red sand beaches and seafood. It is also the smallest province in Canada. 11. Newfoundland and Labrador. Located on the east coast, Newfoundland and Labrador is known for its rugged coastline, fjords, and icebergs. It is also home to Gros Morne National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. 12. Yukon. Located in the northwestern part of Canada, Yukon is known for its vast wilderness, including Kluane National Park and Reserve, and the Yukon River. 13. Northwest Territories. Located in the northern part of Canada, the Northwest Territories is known for its vast tundra and boreal forests. It is also home to Great Bear Lake, the largest lake entirely within Canada. 14. Nunavut. Located in the Arctic, Nunavut is the largest and newest territory in Canada. It is known for its vast wilderness, including Auyutuk National Park and the Baffin Mountains. In summary, Canada is the second largest country in the world and is located in North America. It is known for its diverse geography, which includes vast forests, rugged coastlines, towering mountains, and expansive prairies. Canada is also home to numerous bodies of water, including the Great Lakes and the St. Lawrence River. The country is divided into 10 provinces and 3 territories, each with its own unique features and characteristics. Some of Canada's most famous landmarks and attractions include Niagara Falls, Banff National Park, and the Canadian Rockies. Canada is also rich in natural resources, including oil, gas, minerals, and forests.